Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I have some more card shares with the Warm Wishes Camper Collection. Alrighty, let's just hop right into it. Let's get started. So from that collection, I had shown you this cute camper die set from Spellbinders that was sent to me to play with. Love, 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 love. And it has that little marquee on the top. And then I used some of the dies from the Welcome Winter Sled to create the foliage on top, but you don't have to put foliage if you don't want. You could just do happy holidays or happy birthday here with the camper. These 3 items from that collection were sent to me. Camper Life, love, love. I mean, this one, all year round winner, especially towards the holidays, and that marquee fits in with the stamp set here with the happy birthday and the thank you. So we have the Camper Life, 26 pieces, great price point too. Sweet and Savory Sentiments, photopolymer stamp set. And then also Sweet and Savory dies. And the Sweet and Savory dies, I played with this one too. Oh, so cute. Donut, pizza, pho, soup, hot dog. I knew I saw what this was. Keep forgetting what this is. And a pretzel. I did play with the pretzel. So let's look at the examples of what I made with this Warm Wishes camper. So here now, I was actually going to do happy birthday, but I still turned it winter. I just couldn't help it. You don't have to keep it winter, but I love to use the wreath. Turn it winter. This is more of a modern, traditional Christmas color with the red, white, turquoise kind of colorway. This one was inspired by, I'm going to tell you the story, living in South Florida with the flamingos. And you have your camper coming down for the holidays and you're eating a pretzel. So I was going to put happy birthday, but then it turned into I was like, I just couldn't help it. And I was also thinking, this is a glam mobile. So it's like a glam camper. Glamper? Yes, that's what it is. It's a flamingo glam camper here in Florida. I went for all the glitterati that I wanted, kept the background pink, brought in again this sort of minty color. Yeah, mint turquoise, but it's not as bright as turquoise like that. It's a more minty turquoise. I love this little piece right here. That little stand just gives it the, we're holding up a sign, you know, or the camper is like advertising something. And in here I did stamp out the happy birthday, but I wasn't feeling it here. I like the pretzel, which I just thought was so much fun. And then I put this little squiggle and turned it into like pink frosting in the Glammobile. And then I did here. So this is still snow. And I love that this set does come with that little bit of road hilltop. So on this one, I did it differently. On here, I have the wheel on the outside. Here, I have the wheel on the inside as if it's, moving. I didn't put this piece on yet. I just, you can choose. Do you want to outfit your Glammobile all the way with the extras or take it off? I took it off because I have so much glitter going on, glitterati, but I was just so loving this. There is actually in the shopping cart collection at Spellbinders a flamingo. I don't have it, that die set. I was so wishing that I had that die set because I would have so put a flamingo somewhere on this, like maybe Christmas wishes and the flamingo, happy birthday and the flamingo, because there is a flamingo die that they have that has a nice scale. I think it has a good scale because that flamingo fits in that shopping cart. So I know it's not too big. If I do ever get it, like it goes on sale or something, I'm adding it here. Speaking of sale, Spellbinders is having, I think it may be in there actually. Spellbinders is having a back to school sale. Oh, it's good. A lot of the shopping cart dies are in there. You know what else is there and back in stock? Bebo Blooms, the florals. This one on sale at a really good price at Spellbinders. So it's almost like if you pick up 2, it's like 2 for 1. Why would you want to get 2 sets? So you can run a bunch of florals at one time. So you don't have to keep going, one by one. You could just keep the whole thing with the Bebo blooms. Those blooms bring your cards to life. So does the holiday blooms. I'll link everything that I'm talking about so you can take a peek at it. Both of those die sets are back in stock too. The sled, where I got these dies from, that has been selling out. You could use the holiday blooms up here or the Christmas blooms die set. They're just a bunch of floral die sets at Spellbinders that you could use to top here. The sled one, like I said, that one hasn't come back in. If you find it, grab it. And even in the sale, that pie set too, if you're thinking of doing something for fall, this whole thing is there on sale. And the background, I think this is on sale as well. They do have embossing folders on sale. They have loops on sale. This one is optical arches. And these are Spellbinders 2D oversized embossing folders. 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. Love. That one is here. And after I ran the embossing folder in white, I took some salvage patina, which is kind of in this turquoisey teal colorway, and did a little ink blending with a blending brush in the background, just so it's not so against the stark white. I kind of wanted to create a little scene here. Kind of like the labels motif with a little scene with my South Florida special glammobile. Yeah, it's just missing a flamingo. The Christmas wishes. This. Love this hot foil plate set, and I'm looking for it. It is the Merry Glimmer Sentiments hot foil plate set. Every single hot foil plate sentiment in here does have a shadow to cut. And now that I've worked with it, it is a good shadow. I showed you that I hauled this from either Spellbinders or scrapbook.com recently. Look how close that cuts. This is actually red hot foil roll. On the card itself, I think it works without taking away from it too much, but that is a red roll. Look at how the die cuts, and it centers well too. When you put the die on top, notice how I'm not like off? It's the die, the engineering with the die. So they fit on well for these little sentiments. Love that. So here, Christmas wishes. I had shown in the haul that I had the many wishes, the many birthdays, Merry Christmas, it's like a stamp set with the word die. This is that same font. So I'm going to have to take like one big scrapbook.com storage envelope and put all of these together, because this font is just the gift that keeps on giving. I love it. Look at that. So cute. I think it just adds that touch. Here is the Opal Gems from Spellbinders. So this one can easily convert to happy birthday. I could have still done happy birthday here and then keep the food, or move the pretzel over, have the flamingos up here. I may get that flamingo set because I know it's on sale. And this time I did put some foam squares underneath here to bring my awning down so it's not so high up. Yeah, just to hold it in place. So cute. Love the camper. Camper life. All right, next. This one is just for the donut lover like me. So sweet and savory. This is just actually the dies stamp set for the sentiment. Happy birthday. I did use though right there from the camper life. But if you don't have this, I could have just cut it out, you know. And then one of the sentiments. Hope your day is sprinkled with fun. That's right there. And I just cut that out. And here I layered up 3 of the donuts in different colorways. And it's like kind of like a pastel, cute. I was just having fun. Fun, fun, fun. And that's the embossing folder that's also on sale right now in Spellbinders back to school sale. Loops. Love. I love the loops with the donuts. I think they go together. Happy, happy. The donuts. That's this die set right here. Let me give you a measurement. Let's say 1 5/8. And here I could have cut this to make sprinkles. I just didn't want to do it, to be honest with you. And I had it in my mind. I knew I wanted it to be sugary and glittery. How did I get that? So I cut the color cardstock. I took a little bit of glue, I put it on my finger and just did dabs. And then I sprinkled it with Rangers. Oh, where is it? Where's the name? Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. Rock candy glitter. Oh, that's why I wrote it up here. Sprinkled it on there just like this. And that gave that bit of sugar. That rock candy glitter, I tell you, is magic for here in a birthday card and also for your Christmas projects. It's a goodie. Love, 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 love. So I did the happy birthday. And then what I also did, I took out some Pink Fresh Studio gems. I did the blues, blue turquoisey to go with this. I did the yellows here, and I did the pinks. So this is all Pink Fresh Studio gems going all the way up just to make it a more fun birthday card. 5x7 birthday card. I think it's cute. Simple design, but fun at the same time with all the sparkles. So I did get to play with sweet and savory sentiments. I wanted to also do the pizza, and I did love that pretzel. I could have done 3 pretzels too. And then here's that little frosting. Could have done the frosting on the donut, but I like the sprinkle. I think the frosting would have added too much going on. I already have a lot going on here. Tell you, these embossing folders are fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So I have been having a blast with the Warm Wishes Camper Collection. It's so good. And that little wreath. Just had to pull out the wreath. If it wasn't the wreath, it would have been a flamingo on the Glammobile. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, I forgot one thing. This Winter Borders die set is actually released now. You are going to see projects coming with this. I just wanted to show you that this does exist, and I did get it. I just haven't played with it yet. It is 6 inches tall for each of these banners. So I could have, not banners, borders. So I could have done a border edge here. You put it on the cardstock and run it through the die cut machine. We have a snowflake. We have, this reminds me of what comes on that Spellbinders tag. That tag is on sale too, actually, in the back to school sale. Here, you could do like this kind with the little dots and then add stitching details. So that would give you texture, and also the holly. This is super cute too. Then you could put some gems in here as berries if you wanted, or cut some little circles and do berries on that holly edging. Super duper cute. So expect to see something with this, but I just wanted to show you that I did get this. I just haven't played with it yet, but I will be shortly. Winter Borders. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Enjoy the Glammobile. Bye.